Sorry. Hello students, today we are going to discuss one of the interesting topic, what is pigeonhole principle in discrete mathematics. So first we will discuss what is pigeonhole principle and later we will discuss what is generalized pigeonhole principle in discrete mathematics. Okay, pigeonhole principle is nothing but if m pigeons are assigned to n pigeonhole and it satisfies the condition m greater than n, which is nothing but pigeons is always greater than pigeonholes. Okay, then there must be a pigeonhole containing at least two pigeons. Okay, which is nothing but at least any one of the pigeonhole has more than two pigeons. This is called a pigeonhole statement. Okay, so now we discuss what is generalized pigeonhole principle. Okay, so if m pigeons are assigned to n pigeonhole and it satisfies the condition m greater than n, then there must be a pigeonhole containing at at least m minus 1 by n plus 1 pigeons where this term, okay, so where this term is the greatest integer function, which is nothing but when you simplify this term we get answer is 4.9. Okay, so you don't write 4.9 equal to 5. So we consider only 4 only. Why? Because 4 is greatest integer function. Okay, suppose you get 4.3, we consider only integer value, that is 4. Okay, this is called generalized pigeonhole principle. Okay, so now let us consider one example of pigeonhole principle. Okay, so let us consider 10 pigeons. Okay, so we consider 10 pigeons are m value. Okay, what are the 10 pigeons? So you consider first one, second one, third one. Pigeons is nothing but pura. Okay, fourth one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we consider 10 pigeons, that is nothing but m value, m equal to 10 pigeons. Okay, okay, now we consider 9 pigeonholes. So we take that is equal to n. Okay, what is pigeonhole principle? If a pigeon is always greater than pigeonhole, which means m greater than n. Okay, so we consider a 9 pigeonhole in the box. Okay, in that box 9 pigeonholes are. So what is our target? So now we placing these 10 pigeons into 9 pigeon hole. Okay, which means we take first pigeon is assigned to first pigeon hole. Similarly, we take second pigeon is assigned to second pigeon hole. Similarly, we take third pigeon is assigned to third pigeon hole. Okay, similarly, we get fourth one is assigned to fourth hole. Fifth one is assigned to fifth pigeon hole. Similarly, we get sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, and ninth one. Okay, okay. So now we take 10th pigeon. This 10th pigeon go into any one of the pigeon hole and also which are already occupied, right? So what is pigeonhole principle? Pigeonhole principle says that at least any one of the pigeonhole has more than one pigeon. So now we assign the 10th pigeon into first pigeon hole. Okay, therefore pigeonhole statement is satisfied. What is pigeonhole statement? At least any one of the pigeonhole has more than one pigeon. Here we see first pigeonhole has two pigeons, right? So therefore pigeonhole principle satisfied. I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.